Ready? Start. The instant appeal arises out of the judgment dated 17/1/2020, passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana in civil writ petition number 24383 of 2016, whereby the aforesaid writ petition was dismissed on the basis of statement made by learned additional Advocate General of the State of Punjab regarding the decision taken by the authorities to re-advertise the unfilled posts of elementary trained teachers in short ETT afresh and to fill up it in accordance with law. Stop. Being aggrieved by the said judgment, the appellants have preferred the instant appeal. Full stop. Para. The controversy in nutshell brought by way of suo motu PIL registered by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana pertain to inaction of the State of Punjab in filling up of vacancies of ETE, which were advertised widely. Two separate advertisements dated 8/11/2015 and 30/7/2016. Stop. In the aforesaid advertisements, total of 4,500 and 2,005 vacancies of ETT were notified under various categories, inclusive of SC, ST, OBC, freedom fighter, handicapped, etc., respectively. Full stop. Para. After entertaining the public interest litigation and as per the interim directions of the High Court, the posts of ETT had been filled up as per merit and category wise. Stop. But due to not having selected eligible candidates of SC, ST category, those posts remained vacant. Stop. Now, it is the grievance of the appellants that the unfilled posts of SC, ST category may be filled from the eligible candidates of backward class category, directing interchangeability of the said vacant posts. Full stop. Para. The facts as put forth in appeal, the appellants have applied for the post of ETT in the category of backward class. Stop. Pursuant to the advertisement, selection process was carried out and appointment letters were issued to the selected candidates. Stop. All the notified posts of backward classes have been filled up merit-wise after the direction of the High Court. Stop. In the said process of selection, 595 posts of SC, ST category remained unfilled on account of no availability of eligible candidates in the said category. Stop. Para. The appellant submitted various representations to the concerned authorities on the basis of the said policy letter for interchangeability of the posts of SC, ST into OBC category, which as per appellants was not considered in a right perspective. Stop. Now, by order impugned as per the statement made by the state government, those posts are being re-advertised, without redressing their grievance. Stop. Para. Mr. P.S. Patwalia, learned senior counsel for the appellants, contends that against unfilled posts of SC, ST category in terms of instructions issued by the policy letter number 17246, interchangeability of the post from SC, ST to OBC category is permissible. Stop. Subsection 2 of Section 7 of the Punjab Scheduled Castes and Backward Classes Reservation in Service Act 2006. For short, the 2006 Act does not restrain the state government to fill up the unfilled vacant post of SC, ST category by OBC category by interchanging the same. Stop. The respondent state, despite an order of the High Court, has rejected the claim, relying upon the instructions issued by the letter number 17248 dated 2/8/2019 though it is not applicable to the subject in context.